stuff on that house over there. Isn't that? Look at the stuff down there. Make sure you get all that back through there. See that house over there? You see the stuff all up there in the trees?
Mm-hmm.
See how I uprooted the trees and stuff down there?
Mm-hmm.